Hi guys, so today we will talk about the BOBST machine 820. So here we have different view. This is the top view where we have this is top view, and the next is side view. This is our side view of the complete machine. This is the feeder section. This is feeder section, pre-feeder, and here the machine feeder, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 column machine. We have this waste trench. The waste is coming automatically. Drop here. There is the conveyor, and this is the folding section. Here we have Walco camera system and gap check, bundle check system inside the folding section. This is our counter ejector, and next is delivery conveyor here. After delivery conveyor, the Walco system is here, but originally we are installing here, not here, because the Walco system is, if there is any rejection and they tie the bundle, the Walco system will scan and they reject from the auto handling conveyor. So first of all, we will discuss the foundation drawing. So this is the foundation drawing, and I will explain you one by one point. It is very important before installation, so you need to read very carefully, check all the points, load and the area, load bearing, static and dynamic load is very important. So let's start. So first of all, this is one pit, the red one. You see this red one is one pit, that the one sheet of the stack, the last sheet is coming here, and here is one conveyor to eject outside of the last one sheet. So this is the feeder section where the load is coming 3.5 ton. The next is 10 ton. This area, this is the load bearing. This area is coming 10 ton, 6 ton, 9.6 ton, and the most heavy area I will show you, which is the most heavy area, 7 ton, 7 ton and 7 ton. This is the printing section. Printing section will coming here. This area you see is the slope, and this is ink pit. This area is stairs, and you will come down. This area is under the slaughter and the printing section for the maintenance pit. Next is, this is our the green line is our waste pit. So here is one conveyor, and next to the side, this is the I explain you in my another video. You see this point is the central point of the machine. XY point is the central point of the machine. So this is the X line, and this is the Y line. This is Y line. So the X line is here. Very careful to select the face of this waste trench. Face of this trench, we are get this point, okay? Because all of your dimension is going from this line, not from the angle iron. This is angle iron for the cover. So angle iron, this is floor size, and this is the bottom size. So here all the dimension we will get from this line, and this line is aligned with finished goods transfer car and in-feed transfer car. It should be aligned diagonally and all view. So now next is our folding section is not too heavy, 4 ton, 4 ton and more. So now we will check what should be the thickness of this slab, this area. So now you see this is small slope to this pipe. This is the drainage. So now we will tuck the drainage. Drainage is here, one drainage is here, one drainage is here, because here is the panel and AC unit are installed inside the panel. So the drainage of the AC unit, the pipe will come like this and is come to connect with this point. We are connect with this point and some panel is installed here, this area. If you see, this is 2% slope and -6, this is -20. So I connect this water to from here to this one. This is the center point of the machine in case you wash the belt, the conveyor belt, or you wash the roller. So the slope is coming from this edge. This is maintenance speed is coming to the center point, and center point all the water I collect through the ink pit. So the ink pit section is different, is 20%, 2% slope is come to here. So this is depend on your location and what you want. So if you don't like to install pump, if you want to go by gravity, so you should go under this line. So all the ink I will show you in another video. If somebody have interested, so please write me in the comment section. So now we will check first of all XX section. XX. So where is my XX? This is CC and XX section. Okay, so this is our XX. XX mean it's only simple pit here. The deep of the pit is here 34 centimeter and the width of the this pit is 139 and length is as per this drawing. So this is our length from center line to 193.5 and 193.5 from the center line. So you will consider, you will easily mark this space, and this space where you will get the dimension. You will get this dimension from these lines. So you need to calculate from the what I tell you, that all the dimension is coming from our X line. So we will collect this dimension plus this one, so you will easily can get this dimension. Okay, so our next thing is coming GG. So let's start to explain GG. So now we will talk about the GG line. So GG section is coming here all through to this section. So now we go to find GG details. So GG is here, and the section GG, this is machine rail from center to center, and you see this is the steel reinforcement detail. So reinforcement should be 12 centimeter down than the anchor bolt. If the reinforcement is up, so your anchor bolt will not going down because the steel will disturb you. Okay, so you need to bring it 2% slope from the both side, and you make some small trench and connect to the ink pit. So next is your ink pit. Is depend on your cleaning and your team how to clean. So you need to make some support here because the trench is too heavy, is 1.5 meter. So you need to add some more support. That operator should be happy. So this is our GG detail. So next detail is little complicated. AA, this is the maintenance speed, is come like this. You follow this cursor and how much is the dip, how much steps, and this will come easily to check the belt tension and other activity. So now we go to find out AA. So the AA, okay, so the AA detail is on top. So this one is our ink pitch, this is our maintenance pitch, it's very deep. Here is not necessary if you want, but if you put it, no problem. So here is the pitch size is this one. So here is your tunnel type to come inside the machine because your machine is here. So that's easily you can come down and check the belt condition because it's very important. See, this pit is the panel pit, what I told you for the AC unit. The drop water will come and go back to the ink pit. So next is our CC. So next we need to discuss CC. So the CC detail is here. So this depend on your space. If you follow this pattern, no problem. If you want to make steel stair, is depend on your choice. So you make these steps because it's very important for your maintenance team, for your technician to clean the machine, to take care of the machine is very important. The next section is we need to discuss DD. So D is here. DD section, let us discuss. DD is the ink pit. So ink pit length is here. From this west pit is 130 cm, but from the face, then next is this open space. You need to increase or you need to decrease small, is depend on your colors. Our machine is 6 color, that's the length is too big. For the 4 color is not too high. So now we discuss DD. We will find section DD. So DD is here. So we will get from the west pit here. So this is complete angle iron everywhere to cover it. 2% slope. So the slope is coming here. All the printing section is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here installed here. So all the water, this is supports. You need this support for the grating plates. So your ink is coming here and they make 100 space. Here is your paper waste, your ink, solid ink will here. The other ink will go outside. So here is our pipe to collect the water from the machine center and from the electric panels. So now let's discuss the HH. Its mean HH mean this speed, maintenance speed. So maintenance speed, the top whip is here. So it's very easy to collect from this center line. This center line is the same center line. This is the same center line. We collect and bring it here. So all thing is very crystal clear. So from this line you will get 130 mm This all dimension in centimeters. So here this area is the machine. So under the machine you will come to this pit to check the belt tension, cleaning and the condition. What is the belt condition? And this pit will start 600 mm from the tranche face, and this is the length, this is the width, 200 cm, and you will follow this corner. There is very micro details which is depend on you. And this area, do not forget, you need to install during casting one angle iron frame. So later you can put lightweight grating. Okay, the first one, the dip is minus 34. The dip is 110 cm. The dip is minus 45. The dip is minus 20 here, minus 6 here. So it's very clear drawing. This is the BOBST 820 machine. So this is our foundation drawing. So here is some notes in English and French. So number 1 is this notes is number 1. So where is our number 1? Number 1 is here. So as I discuss with you, the reinforcement should be down 120 mm from the anchor bolt, from the surface, from the floor surface. It should be 120 mm down. The second note is, okay, third note is here the surface pit of ink should be smooth and seal. So number 3 is here. He said this, I will share some picture that we did the epoxy floor. Number 3. Okay. Number 4, the level of the grating must be under the tracks level. So he said that this grating should be down from the finished floor. Next, this 5, 6, 7 different type of notes is coming with the different warnings. So here is very important, 5 mm, 5 mm maximum in 20 meter plus minus. So it's very important, the surface of the foundation should be very smooth. So you can use laser machine. I will share the video how we done this foundation. So the next thing is the top view. So here is our infit, and this is the pre-feeder. This is the pit where the last sheet will come out, and this completely conveyors feeder section. This area is our panels. See the grating, see the white grating here. So this is our printing section, 1 2 3 4 5 6 section. Here is the trunch, waste trunch, folding and the ejector. Some roller is here, and the 2 extreme Mosca and then Volco and return line. So this is the top view. This is our side view. Okay, so this is the board stack. It's automatically fed. Conveyor is automatically feed to the pre-feeder, and it's come to feeder, machine feeder, printing, and this is the pit. You see this man inside to check the belt tension, the conveyor, the suction belt, slaughter unit, and die section. This is waste pit, folding section, counter ejector, delivery. So this is our side section. Side section also have some notes. This is another drawing where we have the panels and where we need electric, plumbing, and the air connection. Okay, so this drawing for the load bearing, where the load is coming, dynamic load and the static load. So if you need more information, please write in comments. I will share all this information. Thank you for watching. One of my foundation of the 820. So this is the maintenance speed. This is the ink pitch. This is maintenance speed, and here we match the waste speed and the maintenance speed. But I will show you in another. This pitch is the panel. The panel AC water is coming here to meet with this point and come to the ink pitch. See the epoxy and the floor thickness. See the angle iron. You try to install angle iron to secure your corner and opposite side to make for the grating sheet. It's very important. I will share another drawing. This is my another project. See the ink pitch is here, is 2% slope to this. It's maintenance pitch, and this hole, you see the slope is coming to this place. The slope is coming from this side, slope is coming from here, and the slope is coming to this side. So all around the slope is coming, and from the panel water we collect this water to drop in the drainage. The next one, most of time people have did this type of foundation is completely failure, and this is not the correct. That last time we reject this foundation, and this customer have taken long time to fix and make a new foundation. So very careful for the foundation work. Always your civil engineer, construction engineer and mechanical engineer should work together to understand very well the machine nature and the foundation importance. One of my best foundation here. So see, you will come 1 2 3 step and come to the trench, and this slope, all this corner slope is come to this place. In case any ink or water will come, so it's go to this point and collect here. You should remove. See the floor, the corner, all around is angle iron. I show you in the drawing that this area should be angle iron to put your grating plate. So this area will cover. The machine is coming here, so the technician is coming underground the machine, under the machine, and they will check the conveyor condition. Next, as I explain you, this is angle iron, angle iron here. So we make one sheet, grating plate, and we put it here. So this area the operator will, this area is panels, machine panels, but the maintenance guy will come here and go under the machine to reach to the maintenance pit. One of my another project. So this is the waste pit here, and this is the maintenance pit, ladder, steel ladder, and this is maintenance pit. This point is the machine center water, and this is the ink pit. So all this panel water we collect to connect with this point and connect to the main drainage. Next is, this is the last one. See, the epoxy is very crystal. Ink pit is here. This is the maintenance pit. The technician will come here to tight the belt, check the condition, and this center line is ready for installation. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch. I will share more informative video. Thank you.